In this example, we'll go through a differentiation-based activity analysis. So when you look at the spreadsheet between the Hill Country Swiss rolls, Little Debbie Swiss rolls, and Hostess Zingers, the first thing you should notice is that with only 8% of the market, the Hostess Zingers profit are significantly larger than that of Hill Country Fairs or Little Debbie's. And that's really kind of the definition of a differentiation-based business strategy. You don't have to have a huge chunk of the market, but your margins are so significant on each unit that you end up doing better, and often in most cases, than firms that follow a cost-based business strategy. So, a differentiation-based activity analysis. It looks an awful lot like a cost-based activity analysis, but with a couple distinctions. So you start, with the value chain. Define the value chain for the Hostess Zinger. Figure out exactly where the costs are coming from. That's step one. Step two, you want to identify the drivers of uniqueness. So how do we do that? Well, you compare the costs in each functional area of the value chain to, in this case, what the Swiss rolls costs are, and it becomes obvious that potentially the ingredients and the marketing aspect of the Zingers is what's differentiating them from the Swiss rolls. Okay, so we want to focus on ingredients and marketing. In the third step, we determine what we think is the most important differentiator. And you can make an argument for marketing and or ingredients. In this example, let's just go with ingredients. Let's say that if we're producing a good product, it's going to sell itself to a certain extent, and marketing becomes easier. So you focus on ingredients, right? You pick that as your key differentiator that the Zingers has over the Swiss rolls. Okay? And then finally, you want to align these drivers of uniqueness with the customer's expectations of the product. How do you do this? Well, you get out into the market, you talk to the customers, you try to understand what they find valuable in the Hostess Zinger, and then you make sure that you're framing the product in what the customers expect, but also linking that back to this idea that the big differentiator is the ingredients. We use better products to make the Zinger, and so therefore it's a better product, and the customer should expect that.